Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about urban infrastructure development in satellite towns, countermagnet of the million plus cities. This is one of the scheme which was initiated in 2007. The main objective of the scheme are to augment the basic infrastructure of the satellite towns, to develop urban infrastructure of the cities such as transport, drinking water, sewerage, drainage, and solid waste management, etc. Satellite towns countermagnet around million plus urban centers. To enhance the sustainability of the urban infrastructure facilities by implementing reforms such as energy audit, water audit, introduction of cost-effective technologies, capacity enhancement of the local bodies, to adopt innovative public-private partnership model to enhance the public infrastructure. Another main objective was earmarking of 10 to 15% of the housing site for the urban poor. The National Urban Housing and Habitat Policy 2007 provide that 10 to 15% of the land in every new public and private housing project for 20 to 25% of the FAR should be provided for the EWS or low income group, and it should be suitably developed with basic amenities. Another objective of the program is to promote the following urban local bodies and to augment their capabilities. They have to adopt a modern accrual based accounting system, double entry accounting system of the urban local bodies to enhance their economic efficiency. Introduction of a system of e-governance and applications of the geographic information systems GIS and management information system MIS for various urban services, and establishment of the citizen facility centers in the local bodies throughout the cities. Reform of the property tax with geographic information system GIS and arrangement of its effective implementation so that to raise the collection efficiency to 85% of the property tax. Levy of reasonable user charges with the objective that full cost of the operation and maintenance is collected within 7 years of the implementation of the project. Internal earmarking of the budget for basic services to the urban poor will also be done through this scheme. Earmarking of housing for urban poor and EWS site will be also allocated in the urban centers. Formulating bylaws which shall be incorporated provision for the disaster management, rainwater harvesting, reuse and recycling of the wastewater, barrier free environment and structural safety, and shall also be in strict compliance with the National Building Code. This will be implemented in citywide. Implementation of the public disclosure law is also one of the reforms needed for the urban local bodies. Implementation of the community partnership or participation in the plan making and implementation will also be promoted. What are the basic scope and coverage of this scheme? The satellite towns may be developed in the future development area of the million plus urban agglomeration. The town may be planned for a population of 3 to 5 lakh in case of million plus. If it is more than 4 million population, then it should be around 5 lakh population. Satellite town will be developed. Admissible component in this will be central assistance shall be for water supply and sanitation, sewerage and solid waste management, capacity building for the implementation of reforms in the urban local bodies. The funding under the scheme would be subject to availability of the infrastructure and actual needs in the cities. There are other inadmissible things that will not be counted, and fund will not be allocated for them, like power, telecom, health, education, wage employment program, staff component, cost of land. Staff and urban body tax should not be a part of the project cost while sanctioning central assistance for this scheme in the identified towns, satellite towns near the metropolitan towns or million plus towns. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel so that we can provide you more useful videos in future.